Hey friends, hi, I'm Swati Singla and today's video is going to be a super important and super useful video for you. Because if you are a homemaker and a person who wants to do something, who wants to achieve something and who wants to earn money online while just staying at home because you cannot go out of your house due to some reasons, so this video is going to be a good fit for you. So the only condition it takes, the only condition it has is you need to be good at your academics, you need to possess a good knowledge of your subject, or you should have some good teaching skills. That's it. That's all it wants. Okay, that's all it takes. After that, if you have any of these qualities, you just get to go. You are all set to go. You can start your career or you can start your earning with this site. Okay, so let's start. The website which I'm talking about is Chegg.com. A lot of people must already have talked about this website because this is really a good platform to earn money, and that is why I'm just going to give you a brief in this video. I'm not going to give you all the details about this website, how it works and all that. I'm just going to give you a little brief about this website, and yes, at the end, of course, I'm going to give you a major update which recently this website provided. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. And yes, if you have any kind of query, if you have any kind of doubt, or you want any kind of detail regarding this, you can anytime drop me a comment in the comment section, or you can write me a mail. I will definitely help you out. I will definitely answer your query. Okay, so stay tuned till the end. So let's start about the Chegg.com. Chegg.com is really a genuine, really a dependable, really reliable website which you can totally trust. Okay, which you can totally trust, and this works. This is a platform where it it connects students with the teachers or experts. So this is a platform for them. So how does it work? First of all, a lot of people or a lot of students post their questions on Chegg.com, on Chegg, and they pay for these questions to Chegg. And in turn, Chegg hires experts to solve these queries, these questions, and Chegg pays those experts. Okay, so how does it work? Student pays queries, questions on Chegg. Chegg hires experts and pays them. That is the simple funda of this Chegg.com, Chegg website. Okay, and now the questions can be regarding the course, any kind of subject, or even related to their textbooks. So any kind of questions Chegg can provide you, and you have to solve if you are a tutor or an expert on Chegg. Okay, so there are two platforms for Chegg on Chegg.com. First is for tutoring. If you are really interested in teaching people face to face, and you possess good teaching ability, good teaching skills, so one platform is for tutoring. That is for you if you have good teaching skills. And the other platform is Q&A expert. Q&A expert is stands for question and answers expert. So let's take both of the platform one by one. First is tutoring, for tutoring. So Chegg hires tutors for their students who will teach them online face to face. Okay, so you just need to clear an interview with the Chegg experts, and after some time they will review your interview, and they will send you intimation, send you some confirmation that your account is activated, and you will be ready to start your online tutoring career with the Chegg. Okay, in this you just need to clear an interview with the experts. And interview is, if you have good subject knowledge, the interview is not that difficult. You can easily crack it on. You can easily solve all the questions of interview. Okay, the second platform is Q&A expert, that is question and answers expert. In this you register yourself with the Chegg, and in turn Chegg will provide you two exams. One exam will be regarding the subject knowledge, wherein you will get questions regarding your subject, and second test will be regarding their guidelines. So once you register yourself with Chegg, you need to go through their guidelines and you need to clear this exam. So if you have sound knowledge of your exam of your subject, the first exam is not that tough for you. And yes, of course, guidelines test is really simple. You can crack it just in 5 or 10 minutes easily. Okay, so these are the two platforms of the Chegg.com. Now after your registration and after in Q&A expert platform, after you have cleared your both of the exams, the Chegg team will review your exams and will review your account, and then after a couple of days it will send you a notification or a confirmation email. Then you can start your account, then you can start answering your questions. Okay, this is as simple as that. And now it's time for an update which Chegg has recently done, which recently provided. Is earlier Chegg has allowed you to select as many subjects as you want to for question and answer session. Okay, but now it has modified its policy. Now it allows you to select only one subject per expert. So now it is working on one subject per expert policy. So you have to choose your subject very carefully, very wisely. Okay, yes, of course, you can change your subject later on, but in my opinion, why to get in that hassle if you can select your subject carefully in the initial stage? Because to change your subject, you have to write a mail to the Chegg experts, and then they will review your account, and then they will check whether there is a vacancy or not, and still there is no guarantee that they will change your subject. So why to get into that hassle? Just make sure at the initial stage, just check everything before registering. Just check it out, what all subjects are there, what subject you are convenient in, what subject you are comfortable in. Then register yourself, and happy earning, right? So select your subject carefully, do a little research, do your homework. Just don't rush to register yourself on Chegg. Just a little homework will help you out, and choose your subject carefully. Just have research about your subject, what all topics your subject has, and what all questions can there be, and all these things. So, and once you are done with the research work, you can register yourself anytime. Okay, you can, if you are really a hard worker and really an efficient worker who can really devote some time on earning money, so this is really a good platform for you. Okay, so this is it from my side for today. And yes, of course, again I'm saying, if you have any kind of query, you can write me a comment or write me a mail, and I will definitely help you out, and I will answer your query. Okay, so that's it from my side for today, and I'll see you soon again with some nice and interesting video and a very helpful video too. So till then, see ya, bye. And if you like this video, please give it a like and a share, and please do subscribe, because I have put a lot of efforts to make this video and to make all of these videos which are there on my channel. So please do subscribe if you really like this video, and do share it so that maximum people would know about this wonderful website, this great opportunity.